So here we have the updated 2022 TS Mine spray mop. This has two end fittings. So here we can see one end fitting is like a traditional cotton mop. This comes with four of these, and this we also have a sort of more of a sort of gliding sort of mop here, and comes with four of these mop pads as well. This is Velcro, so these mop pads just go on very easily as so, and then be taken off here. So there's four of those. Also, it comes with a water bottle. So this water bottle is 420 milliliters, and it also comes with a weighted straw here. So this weighted straw allows the water to be sprayed out even if it's upside down. So here's the mop pole in the middle here. So we have a very large handle and a big trigger. This connects to this middle pole here, which has this sort of foamy grip here. The pole is made of stainless steel, so it will not rust when it's being used or hung up in your sort of your utility room. And this is the water bottle pole here. So the water bottle, once you've filled it up, just goes straight in here like this, as so. And then it is ready to be put together. So let's start with the assembly now. So first we want to take the handle here and connect it to this second pole here. So we just push this button down and then slide it in, as so, and wait for it to pop up, as so. And we do the same with the next part. And then let's just say we wanted to use the flat mop pads. We would then attach this fixture here, as so. You wait for it to pop up, and then that's all put together. And as I showed you earlier, this is Velcro, so all you need to do is push down here, and then that mop is ready to go. Now, the benefit of having two different styles of mop head is you can, for example, you can use this one here, this mop pad, for sort of upstairs and clean underneath bedroom beds, and you can do the bedrooms, and then you can leave this one downstairs to do the kitchen and the living room. So you don't have to. You can just keep the mop head and the mop pads in one room, and all you have to actually transport is actually the handle itself. So now let's connect this mop head. So it's kind of ideal for keeping in various different rooms of the house. Okay, so that's attached there, and then we just put this back in. And this one is then free and for mopping and for mopping dry and wet. So both of these, the mop heads here and the mop pads, are both able to be used dry and wet, and they have 360-degree maneuverability. So you can move it all around in between chair legs and table legs and underneath sofas and whatnot. So that is your updated 2022 TS Mine spray mop.